Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to make the Toulouse top in the long sleeve version. This is one of the sewing patterns I already have in my store, but I realized I never showed you how to make it with the sleeves. The sleeves are already included in the pattern, and you can also find the sleeveless version here on my channel in white, which I'll link somewhere on the screen. So let's start with the tutorial. As the first step, take the front and back pieces together, place them right side to right side, and pin the side seams. Then sew them with 1 cm seam allowance and overlook the edge.
Just the two of us, but I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks.
As the next step, we are going to finish the hem at the bottom of the top. Overlook the raw edge first, then fold it by 2 cm, and then top stitch in place.
She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na.
Now we are moving on to the sleeves. Take the sleeve piece and mark the middle point using the pattern markings. Then mark the position where the elastic is going to sit on the cuff. We're going to sew the elastic onto the cuff using a zigzag stitch to create gathers. Use tailor's chalk to draw a guideline that we can follow while sewing.
Got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let
Start sewing from the top with a small back tack stitch. As you sew, gently stretch the elastic to create the gathers.
but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when
And this is how it should look once it's finished.
giving me these feelings that I never felt.
Now fold the sleeve in half, right sides together, and sew the sleeve seam using 1 cm seam allowance.
She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never
Then overlook the raw edge.
know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know.
We're going to finish the cuff the same way we finished the hem. Overlook the raw edge, then fold it by 2 cm and top stitch in place.
Leave me hanging with no choice. If you would ask me long ago, back when you seduced me, yeah, I felt like a domino, but I knew your reliability. He said,
As the next step, we have to attach the sleeves to the top. Turn the top to the right side, then turn it to the side, and then pin the sleeves to the armhole by matching the seams together.
you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with
Sew it together with 1 cm seam allowance and overlook the raw edge. And of course, repeat the same steps on the other side.
It's almost funny. Got the lips of an angel, got the eyes of a beast, got the hands of a helper. Got me weak to my knees. If you would ask me long ago, already knew you were boys.
Now we are going to move on to the off-shoulder panels. Take the two pieces and place them right side together. Pin the side seams and sew them with 1 cm seam allowance.
To see you almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are.
Then, instead of overlocking the seam allowance, open the seam flat and then sew the elastic directly onto the seam line. This way, the gathers will hide the seam underneath and it won't be visible. I think this is a much nicer way of doing it compared to the white version I made before, where the seam was visible at the back. This method hides everything more neatly on the sides. Now that you have both off-shoulder panels ready, place them right side together and pin them along the bottom edge.
Such a dumb dummy. It's almost funny. Oh, shut up, shut up.
Sew them together using a 1 cm seam allowance. Then turn the panel to the right side out. Take the off-shoulder panel and pin it to the neckline of the top. I like to start by matching the side seam first, then match the gather section to the shoulder points, and finally pinning the rest evenly around the neckline. Sew everything together with 1 cm seam allowance, then overlock the raw edge. And as the last step, I'm just going to add a little detail by sewing the elastic onto the side seam of the top to create a small gathered effect. Honestly, this is such a simple project to make, and especially if you have overlocker machine, I highly recommend you to try it with and without sleeves. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!